On today of no talking, working on my arms and my chest. My ex-boyfriend is out of prison, jail. He got out today. I don't feel no type of way about it because I knew he was gonna come out. The thing of it is, I wish nothing but the best for that man. I know what y'all are expecting. I know what y'all didn't know what y'all was gonna get out of me, but I wish the best for that man. I hope he makes it. I hope he actually stays out of jail, because once you be in prison, your mind's different, everything's different, people come off different, people don't come off the same way. I hope that man changes ways. I hope he's on straight and narrow and he stays out, because I know he don't want to go back. So hopefully, I wish him luck. And me saying that is, if he ever decides to get back with her, I hope he gets his stuff together. You know what I'm saying? You always want to wish something good for the person. You don't want to wish nothing bad. We never had ill wills towards each other. 2022 was the worst month and year I could ever experience, but it was 2 years ago. So I can't dwell on what happened 2 years ago. So that's the past. But now that me and her are legally divorced, and it's only been a year, a few months, and next year will be 2 years, I will not trip. I will not feel no type of way if he will try to get back with her. I mean, I'm not in love with her, and she's not in love with me. She's not ready to be in a relationship. You know, clearly she's doing her. And I'm not doing me. I mean, I'm doing me. I ain't talking to nobody. Haven't for a couple of months, but I don't mind to say, feels that way if she go back and talk to him and everything like that. So I just, like I said, I hope he get himself together if he fails, if he ever have the necessary to get back with her. Get back with her, man, but make sure you have your shit straight. You know what I'm saying? You do not want to repeat the same cycle you did in 2 years ago. You don't. So yeah, that's that. I don't know what 2025 is going to be for me. I told y'all that what I wanted to do and what was my goal to do, and I'm kind of having second thoughts about it. I'm not gonna lie. I don't even know if I want to be a security officer anymore. It is very boring. It's boring, y'all. I'm not even gonna lie to you. I done be getting a second income. It's the best. It's not. I mean, it is. It's cool, but it's boring. Okay? I've been doing this shit. I've been doing security for 2 years. So I don't know. I mean, I've been doing it for 8, for like 10, 11, 12, for like 20 years, for like 50 years, basically. I'm kind of tired of it, to be honest with y'all. Also, I think I want to get into the stocking lane. People who do stockbroker, not be a stockbroker, but I think I want to invest in stock. So I need to talk to somebody who is good with that and who can help me out with that, because in the stock market, it's not good. It's okay, and then you have your good days and bad days. My thing of it is, I'm not gonna, if I ever talk to somebody to invest, how to invest in stock market, my limit is 250. That's how much I'll invest in stock market, and then that's that. So we're gonna see. Like I said, I'm investing that. I'm gonna talk to somebody about it, and hopefully somebody give me a good, intake on it, give me good advice on it, and everything like that. So we're gonna see that. Because working a 9 to 5 job, it's cool, whatever. But I know in 2025 I want to make a little bit quite more. And I don't think I'm going to, if I do get my gun license, it's only going to be for personal, not to be an armed security officer. I don't know, y'all. I just think I want to do something else more, but it ain't security. I know I gave y'all insight on it, and said I want to do security for the rest of my life until I retire. I want to be an armed security. I want to get my gun license, so I could be armed security. It's just boring at this point. You do something for a long ass time, and then you just think to yourself like, there's something else out there. Something else other than this. I don't know, y'all. I have to really sit back and think and see what else I want to do. Because I think I could get my money some other way. Saving is cool and everything like that, but then once you save, you be like, damn, you've been saving. I don't know. And that second income, I'm only gonna do that for like a couple of next year for a couple of months until I'll be like, all right, I got such and such saved in the savings account. Hold on, y'all, I'll be back.